If you want to see our social media handle, all you have to do is click on social media handle. Then our official Twitter account, Instagram account, TikTok account will pop out. If you want to know more about us, just click on about. Then you can see everything here. If for those that want to participate on the referral contest, just click on referral contest. You see this, then you click on in from referral. Now you have your balance button, withdraw button, get referral link, and tips on how to refer fast. If you want to refer fast and you want to know more on how to refer fast, you click on this. You read this. This is like the fastest way on how you can refer people. Then if you want to get your referral link, click on get referral link. Then a customized referral link will be like this. Now all you have to do is just copy your link, then share. While if you have referred person, immediately you refer someone, you get notified of your balance. You get notified when you referred someone and how much you have on your balance. If you want to check your balance anytime, just click on balance. And like you can see, have 0 numbers of referral and 0 naira in my balance. While when you are done and you want to withdraw, just click on withdraw. But as you can see now, I'm not able to withdraw. It's only when you're up to 20,000 and that's when you can withdraw. So thank you all for joining and good luck.